Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to log out of Amazon app. You cannot log out via Amazon app. So to log out, open your settings of your cell phone. Tap settings. Scroll down. Then tap app and permissions. Then tap app manager. Then choose Amazon Shopping. Tap storage. And then tap clear data. Then tap OK. Then go back. And tap force stop. Then tap OK. And that's it. That's how to log out of Amazon app. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.